Hello. The Shopkeep Arty video library represents our entire back catalogue of webinars filmed with live, paint-along audience who ask pertinent questions along the way, maximising your learning experience. The videos only show the webinar host, the professional artist and their easel or drawing board, sometimes from multiple angles. There are no annoying interruptions and all attendees are muted, so you only hear the artist explain their tips and tricks. With over 50 artists from around the world and hundreds of hours of tutorials across many mediums, we truly believe we have one of the best tutorial and learning platforms available. On top of that, although they're packed with content, our webinar hosts are there to take the pressure off the artist and make the shows entertaining. So how do you use our video library? Firstly, we order our library by date, newest at the top. And since we broadcast new events weekly, this is updating all the time. If you want to find a particular artist, medium or type of show, our drop-down filters can be used. If you want to reset them at any time, you press the reset button. There are two ways you can watch our recordings. You can purchase the videos separately, or you can join our Arty community by becoming one of our monthly patrons. The videos are clearly marked whether they're purchasable or not. However, all our videos are able to be watched by our patrons. If you want to check out a class, I'd recommend you click on the class info button. This shows you loads of relevant information about that class, including the description of what you can expect to learn, reference photos, materials lists, and then something I really like looking at, the attendee paintings from the class itself. Don't they look great? Remember, when you click on these links from our video library, they open up new windows. So if you want to go back to our video library, you need to go back to the original window or tab you're on. I'll simply close those tabs. Okay, so in this example, I'd like to purchase the video. So you simply click buy video and you'll be redirected to the artist shop where you can purchase the recording. Please note that once you've purchased a video, the blue watch button, which is on the side there, won't work until you've unlocked the video via the link at the top of the video library page. Once you've done this, you can come back to this library time and time again and watch this class as many times as you want. For example, if Jane's had slipped down because of the date, you can then search for Jane in the artist filter. The second way you can watch our entire video collection is as one of our monthly patrons. It's actually a lot simpler as there's no unlocks required and the information is there at your fingertips. You simply find the video you want to watch, let's go for Ronaldo Palmuti from Brazil, and click the black watch button. This then takes you to the relevant page for patrons where you can find all the information you want, as well as downloadable reference pictures at the bottom. You can play the video, rewind, expand, and again, you can watch it as many times as you want. If you do join our patrons community, we strongly recommend that you don't log out of your patron account. That way, the black watch button will always work seamlessly when you click it on every video. Feel free to browse our library. The filters also give you the opportunity of filtering by difficulty level, which can be comforting to less confident artists. If you want to find out more about our patron membership, you can click the word patron at the top, or from our menu underneath about, there's the page there. Here it explains all about our different levels and the additional benefits you get for each one. We know that circumstances can change, so although you sign up for monthly membership, you can cancel or adjust your levels at any time to suit your situation. All our patrons get complimentary invites throughout the entire month to our patron exclusive classes throughout the month, such as Rajat Bandyopadhyay this month. We also provide surprise giveaways from time to time. For example, this month, on top of all the other money-saving benefits, we're unlocking a full 2.5-hour workshop webinar worth £39 for all our patrons level 2 and above. Here at Shopkeep Arty, we want to help you learn and then, if we can get to it on the page, improve, and then also feel confident enough to create works of art which you can then offer for sale to our thousands of followers from your own shop on our sister platform, Shopkeep Easy, just like all our professional artists are doing. Let's have a look at Jane's. In fact, she's separated her shop pages by painting and created a number of different items that you can purchase on there. We don't spend anything on marketing, and we rely on word of mouth from our supporters, which we believe is the right way to go. So we're really pleased that you've found us and are watching this video, and feel confident that we'll help take your art to the next level, whatever level you're starting from. I'm John, one of the hosts, and I really look forward to welcoming you to one of our next live events very soon. Take care.